Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to take fine short hair and transform it into a voluminous low chignon hairstyle in just a few easy steps. To start, I'm going to add some volume powder all over the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And as my client has fine hair, I'm going to back comb by taking very thin slices at the crown. Lift the hair straight up and then gently back comb at the roots for a couple of inches. Carry this on until you reach the back of the crown, and once you're done back combing, flip everything back over and smooth it out with your comb. Next we're going to gather that back combed area into our hands and we're going to give it a slight twist at the bottom, laying this at the nape of the neck and securing through that twist with a bobby pin. Then pinch and pull at the crown for a little bit more texture and volume. Next I'm going to leave some hair out on the right hand side to frame the face, and I'm going to take a chunk of hair from the right hand side, give it a couple of twists and join it in the same section as the previous bobby pin and secure to the head. Then we're going to take a small bit of hair from the right hand corner, again give it a twist and secure it in the same point as the other two sections. Slip your bobby pin through the twist so you can't see them. And then moving over to the left hand side, again leave some hair out to frame the face and take a chunk of hair above the ear. Split this in two and we're going to cross that bottom section over the top one. Next we're going to add a little bit of hair from the hairline to the bottom section, smooth that out and then also cross this over the top section. So add a little bit of hair from your hairline, join it to that bottom section and then cross that bottom section over the top one. And we're just going to work our way around to the back of the head until we run out of hair. Try to keep your hand positioned at the bottom of that back combed section because this will determine where the twist lays on the head. So once you've added all your hair, carry on twisting for a couple of inches and then just secure it with a clear elastic band. But on the last turn, only pull it part way through to create a little loop. And we're simply going to roll that little loop underneath the twist, hold it to the nape of the neck and secure with a couple more bobby pins. Then I'm going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the length of the twist, working up the side of the head so it's nice and secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.